The God of war is my friend, and shall be until the end. And if you don't like that, it's too bad. I wish you well. Straight to the deepest pits of hell. Straight to hell. If the God of war does not destroy you, I will destroy you and send you on a one-way ticket to the deepest pits of hell. The deepest pits of hell. It is time for the God of war to break down every door. If the God of war doesn't destroy, I will destroy even more. It's fighting for the godly war, for destroy you and break down your door. If he doesn't, not waver. Oh, destroy you and break down your door. It's time for the God of war. Destroy you and break down your door. If he doesn't, I will, and I will send you straight to the deepest pits of hell. On a one-way ticket to the darkest pits of hell. If the God of war doesn't get you, then I will send you on a when your ghost to the deepest pits of hell. I don't like you and you don't like me, and I never will. But when